Today, what I want to be talking to you guys about is reducing food waste through fermentation. The first thing I want to talk to you guys about is lacto-fermentation. You create a saline environment where only the lactobacillus bacteria can survive. So then the vegetable doesn't degrade and is preserved. We have 400 grams of cabbage. I'm going to grate up carrots and some courgette as well. Add that to my mix, 500 grams. So what I do now is I add 2% salt to that, and then I can also add a little bit of garlic. You can just crush, chuck straight in. Spring onion, you can just chop up roughly. So now what you got to do is macerate the vegetables. So the cell wall breaks down and then the brine from the vegetable comes out. See the water's coming off that? Then we'll just get it into our jar. So now you can see plenty of brine in there. Just want to push that down. So you just leave this now for 3 to 5 days. Just keep on tasting it over a 2-week period and then see at which stage it's best for your palate. I'm going to show you how to make beetroot kvass. It's usually made with just rye bread and water, but today we're going to be using some beetroots and apple, rye bread and some dried fruit. So, I don't do any quantities for this either. You just chuck it straight in and it should get going. Just straight in with that. Apple. Do these. And then just cover it with water. Live kvass straight in there. Now what I'll do with this is I'll just close the lid. As you can see, I haven't got a stopper there so the air can get in and out of that. And then we'll leave that for probably 3 to 5 days. Once that's finished fermenting for the first time, what I like to do is I like to strain it off, put it straight into another one of these, and then add like maybe some raisins, or I've also used crystallized ginger, and that kicks off a secondary fermentation. The secondary fermentation will release carbon dioxide, or you could just have it uncarbonated. It's up to you. I like it carbonated.